just asked a question, what's your favorite BMW? And I think this is definitely ours. So one of the things I like the most to do is to go on road trips. And usually sport cars don't really have a big trunk. I'm gonna show you how big this one is. Wow! Shouldn't you be doing this? All right. It's huge. I managed. Thank you.
We're adding a little quantum physics to this, so in the interest of possibilities, if you really want to use your possibility bags, you want to pack up 4 days worth of clothes, vitamins, lotions, conditioners, whatever you need. Shoes, swim trunks. Because in the big city, especially Los Angeles, if you're in one part of town and your friend's like, hey, we're going to a pool party, you don't have enough time to go home, change, and get your stuff. So here, you're all set up. And when we got the luggage, we specifically did not get the exact matching luggage because I have the blue bag, she has the gray bag, and no one ever grabs the wrong bag. So if you think, oh, it would have been nicer if they're all matching, don't get matching luggage, guys. You don't want to ever like lug a bag all the way up to your friend's house, and then in the morning you're getting ready, you get out of the shower, you open up your bag, and it's like your
Where's my perfume?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So these are possibility bags. These are actually Samsonite carry-on bags. This one has been around the world twice. It's been to Dubai twice, it's been to India twice. They do fit in the overhead bins and they fit in the trunk of your car. So you can literally go from the car to the plane, to the hotel, whatever you're gonna do, or to your friend's house. As humans, we love possibilities. You don't want to be stopped. You want to be able to do things, and you need your stuff. So
let's see where the road takes us.